What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Yusuf Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about canceled BDO credit card application or di kaya declined application. So kapag nag-apply kayo ng BDO credit card tapos na-cancelled or di kaya na-decline, when we say ganon, hindi siya na-approve. So meaning, you have to wait another 6 months to reapply. Ito guys, tip lang. Huwag kayo apply ng apply. Halimbawa, nag-apply kayo tapos na-decline or di kayo na-reject or na-cancel. Huwag kayo mag-reapply ulit. Antayin nyo yung 6 months kasi the more you reapply, magkakaroon ng red flag or bad record yung pangalan ninyo. Since kayo ay dinecline na, kumbaga magkaroon kayo ng delikadesa. Antayin nyo yung 6 months ulit bago kayo mag-reapply. 6 months or 7 months. So pag-uusapan natin guys yung possible reasons kung bakit nga ba na-decline kayo or bakit nga ba na-cancel yung application niyo sa BDO credit card. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. If your credit card application was cancelled, it usually means it was either denied due to internal checks, discrepancies, or inactivity. Or perhaps there was a processing issue, duplicate application. So ito yung sinasabi ko guys. If your credit card is rejected or cancelled, maybe dininay siya, it's because after i-check yung background checking sa pangalan ninyo, malimbawa may unpaid or may unsettled debts kayo sa ibang bangko. May utang kayo na hindi binayaran in short. So, na-check nila yan guys. Nalalaman nila yan. Discrepancies, magkaiba yung details, iba birthday, pangalan, ganyan-ganyan. Diba? Nilagay nyo dun sa pangalan nyo is iba. To sa ID ninyo, iba. Kasi kapag nag-apply kayo ng BDO credit card, hinahanapan kayo ng valid IDs. That is one thing kung bakit cancelled or declined or di kaya hindi na-approve yung BDO credit card application ninyo. Pwede rin yung duplicate application. Tulad ng sabi ko, kaka-apply nyo po lang tapos nag-apply ulit kayo. So, madidetect nila yun guys kung duplicated yung application ninyo. Kaya naman kapag nag-apply kayo, make sure lang na okay na yun. Huwag muna mag-again, parang apply, ganyan. Kasi ma-no talaga yun or madidecline or di kayo ma-reject. Then you should contact the BDO contact center at 8888-0000 to get the exact reasons for cancellation and understand the next steps, as sometimes text can be confusing. Rejected and follow-up call scheduled. So, minsan kasi guys, nakaka-confuse din yung text message. So, all you have to do is to contact na lang BDO contact center to ask everything para maliwanagan kayo. Then, possible reasons. So, ngayon, let's talk about possible reasons for cancellation or rejection. Una is incomplete or incorrect info. Discrepancies and personal details can halt processing. So, when we say halt, parang maisantabi mo na yung proseso. Since may discrepancy, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, di ba, pag-apply nyo, ipapalagay yung first name, last name, ganyan. Tapos pagdating sa ID, iba. Tapos yung birthday, iba. Ganyan. Kaya, kailangan maging aware kayo kapag nag-apply kayo ng BDO credit card para iwas rejection or di kaya hindi ma-approve. Then, duplicate application. Applying multiple times might get them cancelled. So, nakapag-apply ka na, nag-re-apply ka pa ulit within the day or within a month, ganyan. Tapos wala pang, di ba, wala pang notification, tapos nag-apply kayo ulit. Yun lang. Kailangan talaga i-wait ninyo. Kailangan nyo antayin yung final decisions or di kaya notification kung ito ba ay approve or di kaya decline or rejected. Then wait kayo another 6 months before kayo mag-reapply. Tulad ng sinasabi ko. Then financial factors. BDO's internal credit scoring might find issues with your income, existing debt, or credit history. So, ito na yung sinasabi ko sa financial factors. Mamaya may tinakbuhan kayong utang. Okay naman lahat ng details mo doon sa application. May tinakbuhan kang utang. Tapos yung income mo, hindi na-meet yung required income requirement doon sa credit card na ina-applyan nyo. Isang factor yun, then maaaring ma-decline o ma-reject. Then yung credit history. May mga lapses kayo sa past credits ninyo. So, yun yung problema. High credit inquiries. Too many recent applications can signal risk. So, di ba, dati mo natin in-applyan, ganyan-ganyan, apply ka pa lang, tapos apply ka ulit. Ito, isang factor din yun. Then, promo application window. If applying for a specific promo, you might miss the deadline. So, kapag, diba, nag-apply kayo ng no annual fee card sa BDO, which is, wala pa naman silang na-offer na pagkakaalam ko. Mamaya, ganon. Tapos may, parang nag-apply ka lang, it's because may promo na ganito, tapos nag-end na pala yon. Yun lang. Cancel talaga yun. So, ano nga ba yung susunod yung gagawin kapag declined or nalaman nyo na yung possible rejections at saka ano yung dapat nyo gawin para malaman? Call BDO. Use the number 8888000 or 88800 for Fidelity and Globe to speak with a representative. So, asking them guys directly, calling them directly to their hotline is the best way para malaman nyo lahat ng reasons. Tapos bibigyan kayo ng feedback. Kasi si BDO lang nakakaalam kung bakit decline yung application ninyo. Then ask for the reason. Inquire specifically why your application was cancelled or denied. So, sila mismo kakasagot nun guys. Then, wait and reapply if advised. Ito yung sinasabi ko guys. Magbibigay sila ng advice kung kailan ka magre-reapply. If denied, wait a few months. 3 to 6 months to improve your finances before reapplying or follow BDO's specific advice. So, the moment you call them, they will advise you kung ano yung dapat nyo gawin tulad ng sabi ko. So, kapag na-deny, antay kayo ng 3 months to 6 months. Much better guys, 6 months. Kasi parang iisipin ni Bangko, okay, may trabaho na siguro siya. Kayang-kaya niya na bayaran yung isa-swipe niya sa credit card na yun. So, there's a possibility na ma-approve na kayo. Kasi business yan siya guys. Then remember, a text message might say rejected, but another might signal they still need information. So calling them directly is crucial to know your status. So minsan kasi nagte-text na rejected daw, tapos mamaya approve na naman, tapos mamaya manghihingi ng further details. So the best thing to do is to contact them via 448-888-0000. So tawagan nyo na lang sila directly guys. Pwede rin via landline, pwede rin via mobile call. So ito guys, when applying BDO credit card, make sure lang na, halimbawa nag-apply kayo, alamin nyo muna yung required income requirement para iwas, yun nga, declined application or rejected. Kasi sa bawat credit card ni BDO guys, is may kanya-kanya silang income requirement, annual income requirement. So yung mga basic credit cards like Shopmore, installment cards, tsaka yung Standard Mastercard, nasa 180,000 lang yung annual income requirement noon. Unlike sa Platinum, sa Gold, sa ano, medyo higher tier na siya. Doon nga, Platinum at saka yung Elite Mastercards, di ba? Yung mga Elite cards, medyo may iba dyan na million yung required income requirement every year. So, mahirap na kayong ma-approve kung yung earnings nyo lang or minimum wage earner lang kayo. Pero kung kayo ay may sariling negosyo, tapos, kumpleto lahat ng papers. So, may financial audit, may, alam mo yun, may negosyo talaga kayo, talagang profitable siya. So, there's a possibility na ma-approve kayo for Elite cards or Platinum credit cards ni BDO. Then, dagdag ko na lang din guys, kapag nag-apply kayo ng credit card, make sure lang na sa official website kayo ni BDO mag-apply. Huwag kung saan-saan kasi delikado yung informations ninyo. Maaaring magkaroon ng leakage at yun, magagamit yung informations niyo, mahalaga yung contact number, yung email, mamaya maraming mag-contact sa inyo, yung pala, hindi na maganda yung pakay. So, make sure lang guys na official website kayo ni BDO mag-apply para masiguro yung seguridad or di kayo yung security ng pangalan ninyo. Kasi details yan yung contact number, email, tsaka yung name, birth date, mga confidential details yan. Kaya dapat iniingatan nyo yan. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!